lunchtime. Hollywood Studios today. Yay! We already came here last night and had a sneak peek and actually did the rides we want to ride.
Like if we didn't ride them today, I'd be okay.
I know. No, I wouldn't.
Tower of Terror is fun, but I'm not like attracted.
Love Tower of Terror. So we're gonna go get some snackies now. At this place to the left.
Cupcakes and cookies and
pies.
Oh my.
Oh my. Okay, all right, we're going to Starring Rolls Cafe.
Yum.
And starring the rolls. I put it down on my stomach. Get it? Get it? Ah. So cute. We're searching for the foods. Foods.
Over there.
Tracy, you want some fruit?
I want some food.
Some fruit?
Some food. Some food. Not sweet food. 75 minutes. Whoa.
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 That's crazy. It's a cute entrance though. Whoa. I'm so hungry and all we've eaten is sweet stuff and we want not sweet stuff.
We had a cupcake.
Like at 11 a.m. we had cupcake and now we want food and all we can find is popcorn.
Did you get it?
I caught it.
Got it?
I caught it. Oh.
What's up, vlog? We're in line for Tower of Terror.
Times 2.
Yep. Second time of the day.
Second time's gonna be the best time. If I don't.
Look at that sun. Dip your head down. Low. Get low. Oh yeah, that's what we're gonna ride. Tell us what your favorite ride is at all of the parks. Like what your favorite ride is at every single park.
I thought you were flipping them off. Tower of Terror. I can't see it. It's Aaron. And the tower's right there, but I can't make it show up. Probably, maybe. I don't think you can see people from here.
We're too low down, like the angle. Well, if it's bad, then all the better.
You ready to take a plunge?
Thanks for dropping in.
Your ears detect me. Gosh. You should have a seat on my couch. Stay for a while.
And cleaned just for you. Like, look how clean. We made sure to get in every nook and cranny.
Oh, that lamp's just like that. That's how it's made.
Just watch it blowing in the wind. It's not focusing on you. Your face broke the camera.
Move your hand.
I'm trying to pinch it.
You're not even near it. We're waiting to go meet Woody and Buzz Lightyear.
We're going to infinity and beyond. Did you see that? It was like a special effect. Alright guys, do you want one on your phone? Alright guys, right up here. Finishing it off in the best park of all, Magic Kingdom. Boom. There's another ugly
I
crane.
can't even see it. Hold on. Look at the ugly crane. No,
See if you can
Disney.
zoom in and figure out what they're doing.
See if I can zoom in. Give me a big old Disney smile. Oh. Okay, so we're about to eat these. This is barbecue and waffle fries. And this is BLT waffle fries. I like all that bacon though.
Yeah, I'm gonna get pictures.
Okay. Oh, you're good. Old Two Scratches Mystery Man. Huh? No, I'm filming. I know. Tom loves Becky. Just around the river bend, beyond the shore, somewhere past the sea.
I don't know Pocahontas that well.
Yeah, this one's like wood. Oh, this is so cool. Like you can see them going out over the water. Yeah, this one's rocky too. Like who has fun at Disney? Like Disney's not for fun.
No, it has to jump. React to it. React to it. You don't have to make the sound, it does it itself.
They're all turned away. Haunted Mansion, Fast Pass, and it's a fail though.
It's such a long fast pass.
But I don't think we go through anything except for just straight inside. I don't know. Meh. Meh. Alright, who's ready to get...
She is not impressed. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed.
He's content. Go get this poop scared out of us.
That already happened earlier.
Not for me. Wow. He's closing. Work, work, work. Have you seen Ariel lately? Sorry, you can go ahead.
Stop.
We've eaten a lot more. It's really loud and
Met
busy.
some of you guys.
He has a pink shirt on.
Yeah, he does with blue arms.
And we're going to get some LaFood and some
Macaroni and cheese.
Woody.
Hot roast.
Yeah.
Hot roast macaroni. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I'm kind of nervous about that one, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. What should we do first? Mac and cheese or so dark?
We were just talking about how we met some of you guys. This is Kevin. Great night.
Yay! What are y'all's names? I'm Deanna. I'm Ibsen. We're Disneyed out.
Never.
Tracy doesn't want to go see the fireworks.
I'm so tired. So we have to switch hotels. And I'm tired.
And then go to sleep and then drive 9 hours.
But it'll be more like 10. But it will with stocks. But not because we gain an hour.
But still be in a car for that long, right?
Yeah.
The chance it tells a bell. But do you want a sundae on the way out?
No.
I'm full.
Maybe. Maybe we go here and get Sundays instead of fireworks.